Hello everyone, my name is Lana. This is my first video, so don't be too harsh on me. I just wanted to show you what I did with our bathroom a year ago. This is how our bathroom looked before. Very outdated. When we bought a house, it had wallpapers in the master bathroom. So it looked very depressing, very boring, and all the colors are blended because our tile is beige, the flooring is beige, everything is beige, the countertop are beige as well. So I just wanted to get a fresher look, updated, and make it lighter. I'm not a professional. I'm not a professional designer, so I didn't want to destroy the whole bathroom and end up with unfinished project. So there's some cracks there that I had to seal. There are lots of paint, some painting, removing the walls. I'm sorry, not removing the walls, removing the wallpapers. And I do like how it turned out, so that's why I wanted to share, because our cabinets also had like this orangey look. It's a glossy oak, so I wanted to change something. Okay, so this was the first step I did. I was removing the wallpapers. Some parts were easy to remove, some parts not. The paint would peel off in some places. So I used the steamer to make it easier to remove the wallpaper, and it did help. The downside of that, it pulled the paint, so I had to, it gave me more work to do, but I will show you what I did with those parts. So my little one was helping me as well. Here she is. Here, she was so excited. She was very happy to pull all that stuff. And as you see, this one was easy piece to remove. It did pull some paint as well, but it was easy because it was a big chunk of wallpaper. So this is how much mess was left after we removed everything. But even after removing the wallpaper, it already looks much better, and I feel like it looks lighter. So this is the color of our walls in our bathroom, so our bedroom, so I wanted to do that. Because of that paint that came off and started to pull off, I had to even it up. I had to remove this because other way, if I put a new paint, it would not stick and it would be very ugly. It would not look very good. So I had to remove this. It's a long process. It was a little bit annoying, but I was determined, so I wanted to get it done. So I had to do. Thanks God I didn't have this issue in every spot, so it was just some spots that I had to fix. Then I had to do a little bit of polishing. I use a sanding paper. I don't remember what grade it was, but it doesn't matter. You can do a roughest one, so it doesn't matter. Alright, so for the next step, I had to even the walls. For that, after I sanded, I had to use all-purpose compounder. I like this compounder because it's easy to use. You don't have to mix anything. Just pull it out of the container as much as you need and save it the rest for the next project, for the different projects. It will not dry. And luckily I didn't have to use it for the whole walls, just this wall. One of the walls was a problem wall where the paper would not come off easily, and I had to use the steamer. But for the rest part, it made my work easier just to do here and there, just little pieces. I also use dry dogs for very little pieces, like nail holes. I really like this product as well because it tells you when it dry completely. When you put it on the wall, it's pink, but then it turned white. Okay, so after everything dried, again I sanded a little bit so it's even, no flaws, and I used my vacuum cleaner to remove all the dust and all the mess that we made. Alright, the next step is painting the cabinets. I'm excited because I haven't done this before, so I want to see the result. Here's my little helpers helping me to prepare everything for the painting. They're unscrewing the drawers, washing them. We have to prime them before actual painting. So lots of preparation, but it's worth it. Alright, the next step was sealing the cracks in the countertops and the bathtub. So I used the sealer, ivory color, because I didn't want it to be very bright and have a big contrast between countertops and the ceiling. So finally we finished. This is how it looks now. It's a year after, no chips, nothing. The paint's still fresh. Everything looks exactly the same like it was after renovation. So I'm very happy with the result. So comment below what you think about the result and this project. Thank you. Have a good day, everyone.